Greetings Earthlings, welcome to another video. We are here on a little pilgrimage to
IKEA. Let's go.
So we are here today we've never ever been to an IKEA before. We've heard about it, family have spoken about it, family have bought many things, but we ourselves have not been once. So let's see what goodies await us.
Guys, I love these little things, right? I prefer it when you push it though, that's the thing.
You have to push the one in Blackpool.
Nan and Grandad must have gotten it.
No, your pandy was quite a bit bigger than that. Right, is food upstairs?
Hi there, boss, you're right.
Hi.
You can take photos, but we don't allow recording.
So let's follow the famous arrows. Oh, you got to get a little trolley. Nice.
It looks like school. I feel like I'm at school.
Yeah, it's like a cafeteria, right? Do you want to grab a tray?
Yeah. 2 trays?
Just one.
You want one? I can see you in my glasses so I can see.
Can you tell that I'm recording?
Only because I know what it looks like.
Do we need any water bottles?
Yeah.
I do.
Do you want any dessert?
I'm not sure actually.
I won't.
If they do an apple pie, I might have an apple
God,
pie.
their food's actually like affordable.
I know. It's magic. How do they do it?
Oh my god, look. Oh no, I don't know what to have.
Why? What have you seen?
We've got pasta and tomato sauce and meatballs and gravy.
Why don't if we get one each and we can share? So I get the meatballs.
But don't they only give you like 4 meatballs?
No, I think it's 8.
8, okay, so I have 4, you have 4. Yeah, I'll get the kids pasta then. Should I just get the meatballs? I can have pasta whenever I want. I'll just get the meatballs. And did you feel like I'm at school?
It's weird, isn't it?
I hate to work here though.
Oh my god, it would be a nightmare, wouldn't it? Can you run over to those fridges over there, literally opposite to us, and see if they do any apple pies? Thank you.
Oh, sorry, yeah, I've just realised you had 2 orders.
Sorry.
I'm just really hungry.
Yeah. Donut. Sure.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Cheers.
You want some of the lingerie jams? This is the ketchup.
Perfect. Thank you.
Sorry about that. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Do you want some garlic bread?
No.
I think I will. Yeah.
So you having the garlic bread, I'm having the normal bread?
Yeah, one of each. Yeah. How is it, Holly?
It tastes exactly like my old primary school dinners. It's like the exact same.
So you got yours without the cranberry sauce. I got mine with. Let's tuck in.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Room number 1. It's a living room.
But I still bring get stuff from my bedroom because I'm also looking. Oh, I love this. I actually really like this. Are we allowed to just pick it up and go?
No. You got to jot down the number. They really make it feel like you live here, right? Look at those windows. That's actually Croydon. Try out that little sofa. That looks perfect for your room, actually. Is it actually comfortable?
Oh, no.
So, is it not?
No, it's like wood. It's sitting on wood. I know this is not big enough.
Still horrible. That's good because it's too big.
Hey, Dad. You want to do a role play?
Sure.
Right. Okay,
Ooh, larder.
so we're in our American dream house, yeah?
Yep. Fridge. Oh my god, they actually put stuff in the fridges.
Obviously it's not full. Okay.
Hi Holly, you doing the washing up?
Yeah.
Good, good. Do you want me to make you some breakfast?
No, wait, what accent am I doing?
Oh,
No, I'm fine. Got
I
it.
like the taps.
Yeah, bro. Don't bother.
You cooking up a storm?
How does this work, bro?
Well, it won't actually work.
Oh.
Fire hazard.
There. This way.
Oh my god, it actually does. That's mad. Why would they make that work? Little island.
It's not letting me get into the peppers.
Peppers? Oh, there's real peppers
I
in there.
wanted peppers for breakfast.
Dining room. Look at that little ladder so you can get to the high things.
This is nice as well.
The dining table.
Yeah, we kind of gave up on the rollerblade. Right, how do you test if it's a good spinny chair is... Does it even have stuff in the bin? Wait, 3, 2, 1. Spin on it, yeah.
Do the wheels work good?
Yeah.
Unlike your current one at home.
3, 2, 1. No. This is a good spinny chair. Well, it does not spin well at all.
And you said there's stuff in the bin.
Yeah, look. There's a paper in there.
Hilarious.
And I really like look at that.
Does it work?
Yeah, it's on. And it changes colour.
That's cool.
Wait, is this comfortable? Kind of.
Getting closer to more comfort.
Yeah, that's cute. Didn't work. Oh, that's nice. I have something like this at home, but
Corkboard.
I'd like this, but only if it didn't have these lights. Puts me off. Well, their pillows are nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got memory foam pillows.
Oh, whoa, where did she go? Holly? God. Behind me.
Oh, what's this?
That's a phone charger.
That's so cute. I like that. Oh, let's see. Let's do some test. I was really scared it was going to be that wrong. This is nice. This is comfy.
It's big, but it's not big enough for two, right?
Oh, this is nice. This is comfy.
Men's wardrobe.
I think that's women's. No, it's not. It's not women's too. Oh, I do like this. I know it's in the men's section.
Well, a mirror doesn't matter, does it?
Oh, this one. Got a good bounce. Because the thing is, when I get home from school, I like jump on my sofa all the time, and it's always like really painful. So this is my favourite so far, and I like this because like you can put food in it and stuff. But I prefer it in white, so we might have to look online to see if there's one. But yeah, so
Ollie, try this little chair.
this one.
Yeah.
It's nice, but I like it to be like, you know, all round, like
Yeah.
the thing. It's very comfortable.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Would you have it in your room?
No, it's too small.
How much is it?
$139.
Bargain. I like the way this one's lit. This sofa is mad.
There's like another like bit there. It's crazy.
Jeez. What are you cooking up today, Holly?
Nothing, I've given up. Well, my knees have given up.
I want a cake for £1.
Recreate that one iconic scene in Black when like first speaks. Okay, ready? Sorry, Daddy. It's really comfy, but
You
only
like-
like this bit, not the back. The back's really like.
What about the actual sofa?
It is nice, but not as nice as that. Maybe they had hand close-ups on the other side.
Bowl of nuts. Grab a nut.
Oh, it's sticky.
It's fake. They lie. That is some lamp. Look at this.
Unnecessary. Oh, yeah. I love this.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. And this little lamp. Yeah. Do you like this one? Because it's like clean girl vibes, if you get me. Not comfy at all.
Someone's left their handbag and coat there.
Yeah, it was not me. Not me at all. Speed.
You should play a game.
Huh?
You should play a game.
Play a game. What game?
A squid game.
That's funny. No. Okay, let's go.
Lots of chairs. Well, this is nice. Oh, it smells of berries.
Yeah.
It's giving wine.
Right.
Yeah. You like this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Where's the label?
It's got a really good spin on it.
Marcus.
Everything. It's really good.
Marcus High.
All my books
Secrets.
and pens and stuff. Here will be like my homework sheets. Whatever the hell can go in there will go in there. And
So,
then this chair is great. This whole
I'm the
setup.
window. Doors over there.
Yeah, like this.
Bed's what, there?
Bed's in the middle against the window.
So we just found my desk. Oh my god. Careful. Careful.
What's the Mac?
Stop.
That's the Mac.
That's crazy.
The lowest. And look, they've got cranking ones as well.
I prefer the electric one. That's insane. I love it. So you like this bed,
Yeah, this is my favourite bed, but I just
and you like the hangy bits.
the mattress is actually really, really nice. Was I missing? Mine's small.
Yep. Holly likes this mirror. She loves it.
Don't bully Chloe Williams, please. Not me doing it like 5 seconds ago, but still.
Holly, time for school. Oh, it doesn't look as good through camera. You can see it spinning. Oh my god, Holly, there's a snake. There's a snake on you. It's around your neck.
The fuck? Wait. What? You just ate the food. You just ate the plastic.
Popsicle.
Yeah, you just ate it.
Yeah, I was hungry.
But that's plastic.
Plastic?
Yeah, all the food's made of plastic.
No, I didn't get it from here. I got it from home.
Then why did you put it back in your pocket?
Because I got it from home.
No, but there's no wrapper. Go. Okay, guys, so we got kicked out. So we had to go to the countryside because we got kicked out. Very, very sad times. Ignore the cutlery. That's just some cows eating. But yeah. Jokes. We're still here.
So Holly has a donut.
It's better than Krispy Kremes.
That is high praise, guys.
I hate Krispy Kremes.
Oh,
Yeah.
Holly's a bit mad.
I like Funfair ones though, because they're made like fresh there.
Oh, you like British donuts. I'm more of an American glazed donut man. This is my apple pie with the creme. Let's go.
This one.